Today, we're tackling a common issue: the Windows Security app not opening on both Windows 10 and 11. So, if you've been clicking on your Windows Security icon and nothing happens, here's what you can do. Step 1. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes, an outdated system can cause issues. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Step 2. Restart your computer. It might sound simple, but a quick restart can often resolve glitches and get things back on track. Step 3. If the issue persists, try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and find Troubleshoot. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter from there. Step 4. Reset Windows Security Settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, then to Apps and Features. Find Windows Security, click on it, and select Advanced Options. Hit Reset, and see if that resolves the issue. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix the Windows Security not opening issue on both Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other tech issues you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.